News Station 4. Back in my house is thunderstorm moves Dale. All over there. So I'm going inside the Cation Lane. See you guys. News Station 4. Okay, you saw lightning strike right in front of us, hit that tree back there, but somehow the tree's not on fire. I need to go inside the case. Yeah. News Station 12. I got any questions, text me it, email me it, or do something, please. I got 2 YouTube channels. Is my name Cody Kotz. My last name. Whoa! Lightning strike. You saw that? They got that on camera. Okay, this is dangerous. Thunderstorm warning. Thunderstorm warning. Lightning strike right in front of me. That's too close right there. I got metal all beside me. I need to be very careful. I got metal there. I got metal there. I got metal there. This is metal. This is metal. I got metal there. I got metal right here. Yeah, I got metal everywhere. I need to be very careful. I'll let you know it's not 80% rain, it's 100%. The guy said it's 80, afraid to miss us. But this is 100% of rain because I feel it sprinkling right now. I can't prove that, but I need to wait. It's hard. That's a funnel crowd. That's a funnel crowds, guys. Winfield, Kansas have a funnel crowd right in front of Winfield, Kansas, heading straight to Utah. Please, Utah, go to the tornado shelter, or anybody at Utah or somewhere, a tornado threat. Today is a tornado warning, a watch now. Please go to the shelter. We got a tornado warning. Big funnel crowd right in front of us. Right there, it's wrapping. Crazy back there. And you guys have any questions, and you do it quick. I need to do live someday do live, but I do not know what day. It's depoted, so no tornado. Never mind. Depoted. Depoted is a tornado unspawned. This tornado is not touching on the ground. You need to be very careful. I'm right in the middle freaking of it. This is not freaking good. I'm getting ready to get pounded. So I'm pausing right here. I am back. Sorry about that. Need to turn my TV down. Okay, Texas, Oklahoma, Winfield, weather threat. We got another threat come up. Texas. The 4 reports of weather threats at Texas. 2 reports of weather threat Oklahoma. And 1 threat Kansas. I pause it here. I will get my iPad to show you guys. I'm back here. Pause it for you guys. 1, 2, 1, 2. Winfield, Kansas.
That air getting wrapped back in. So Cheyenne, that's where the snow is going to continue for the rest of the day, and then of course we get the lingering rain east of there as well.
In Wichita, I'll let you know. You are in it too. I'll let you know.
Portions of Nebraska, some snow could come back into play, but only for the high.
I need to watch this.
It is going to be a
1 minute, guys. I'm back. Oh, what the?
Moisture in. This lipid layer can break down and cause dry eyes. That's why there's Soothe XP.
Hello, guys.
Only Soothe XP contains Restore Mineral Oils. Soothe XP helps restore this layer, sealing moisture and protect against
Wind.
irritation.
No, that's not wind.
Can't do that.
Soothe XP works for my dry eyes.
Soothe XP, extra protection for dry
Wind
eyes.
speed.
I'm Chris, and I lost 120 pounds on Nutrisystem.
Listen up, guys. Want to shed a few pounds? Got a beer belly going on? Can't fit into your pants? Then you need Nutrisystem for men.
I'm Essex.
Wind speed. With a dot, 40 miles per hour.
On Nutrisystem. Lose 15 pounds in 7 inches.
Right there.
Lose weight fast. Money back guarantee. Real guys.
This us right there.
I'm Michael, and I lost 50 pounds on Nutrisystem.
Put down the pie. Pick up the phone and get with the program today. Get 1 week of all new Nutri-Crush bars free, and 1 week of Turbo Shakes free.
The food was delicious. If you're like me and you like to eat,
Clouds.
this is perfect for men, especially guys who don't want to cook.
So get off the couch. Call or go online in the next 2 minutes, and we'll even throw in FedEx shipping. Free. Lose 15 pounds and 7 inches in your first month.
It's not that hard. You eat the food, you lose the weight. Go online or call 888-608-DIET to get
Look like it's all good.
shakes free.
No tornado threat.
When it comes to buying a house, Trulia knows the house is only half of it. And with 34 map overlays like traffic, crime, natural hazards, and more, you can
One thing to worry about right now
Trulia, the house is only half of it.
is this one right here.
There means that you could take what some might call a boring
It's growing and growing.
A lot of fascinating aspects. You can look up in the sky and there's something to learn about the clouds or about precipitation.
This is Weather Station 4. I see you guys later. Peace.